Yeah, tell the people
Uh,
what you want
I want a bowl for my yarn.
for your yarn.
For
Why?
my
What kind of yarn?
because so I have this yarn too. It's like fine yarn, or they call it sports yarn. I sent you a
Sports
picture of
yarn?
like the size of it, so you can like next to my Xbox control, so you can kind of see like
So I
how
can
big it is.
figure it out. How am I supposed to know? You didn't? Okay.
There, I sent it.
Wow. How big is your hand?
That's why I used the control instead.
Control? What? No, I can see your hand. Oh, it's the other picture. It says Y as controller. Well, it's really soft, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it like squishes into place. Oh wait, I have a controller. I have a controller. It's not the real one, but I
Yeah,
can measure it.
there you go.
According to my calipers, alright, so it's like 156 millimeters. So we'll round it up to like 160 for the width of your roll. You want it like round, just like this, or you want it oval shaped? What do you want? Like a circle
No,
shape?
a round one, just in case because there's also like those other balls of yarn that are like almost the same size. And I can use that in there too.
And there's actual round ones, so just perfectly
And I
round,
think round would just look nicer. Like,
concave upwards. You know, it's thicker at the midsection than it is in the top and bottom. You know, it like bowls out and in, right?
mm-hmm.
You want it with this little loopy loop design. What are the holes for?
Well, that's to feed the thread through.
I thought the loopy loop was to feed the thread
Yeah,
through.
but the other ones is so you can place like different yarn in there. So like say you're changing color, you have like
Oh,
the
you
three threads.
splice it together or what?
No, no, just like or I guess if you're doing that, but like just, if you're using different types of yarn, you can put three in there and just
Oh, I'm stupid. Like I saw this woman or person that sells these has dimensions on their bowl, so they can put
oh,
three.
there you
So
go.
this picture is they have their needles through it, through the two holes, not yarn.
Needles.
Yeah. Let me stream my.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Here, this video. They have the needles going through the holes.
Oh, yeah, I don't know what they're doing that for, but that's not what it's used for.
Here's the video. But you can feed more yarn into it. Okay.
Yeah, so you can put like different ones.
So they do a little loop. And it. Oh, that's it.
Mhm.
Oh, here's this picture. I
There.
can see two
See?
yarns, two little balls of yarn.
Mhm.
So I guess I'll just use these dimensions. Is that fine? This all
Yeah, yeah, that's perfect.
5.9 wide in the middle.